Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex Greywood Premium Prism 18-foot by 48-inch steel frame pool set with cover, ladder, and pump. This above-ground swimming pool comes with a cartridge filter pump, a ladder, ground cloth, and a debris cover. All the party is missing is your friends and family. Prism frame pools are enhanced with strong, powder-coated steel tubing. They're durable and still easy to assemble. The liner is stylish and constructed with puncture-resistant, 3-ply material for years of backyard fun. Product benefits: Aeration Technology pump for improved circulation, filtration, improved water clarity, and increased negative ions at the water surface. This pool is durable, easy to assemble, and ready for water in 45 minutes. Constructed with puncture-resistant, 3-ply material. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.